Hello, hi. My name is Muhammad Faris Amir bin Kamaruddin. I am from DKA 3C. My metric number is 08 DKA 19 F1072. My character is the complainer. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Muaz bin Muhammad Zakaria. My metric number is 008 DKA 19 F1092. My character is this video is complain about my washing machine. Okay, thanks for and enjoy your watch the video.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ali Farhan bin Razilan. My message number is 08DKA19F1077. My role as a owner of the laundry. So before we watch the video, I will explain about two situations that happened at the laundry. The first situation is the complainer complained about the amount of the token is not enough. So the owner will refund the money. And the second is complainer complained about the dryer is not function. So the owner will send the technician to repair. And the second situation is the complainer is complained about the washing machine is making a strange sounds. So the owner will send the engineer to look the tap bearing that may have been damaged as a result of a bad seat. And the second is washing machine is not working. So the owner will use the original item to prevent unwanted damage from occurring. So we hope you guys enjoy the video.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Are you Mr. Ali Farhan?
Yes, I'm Mr. Alif.
You are the owner of this laundry?
Yes, I am the owner.
Mr. Ali Farhan, I want to complain about your laundry.
For sure. What the problem?
Before that, I put the money into the coin machine, but the amount of the coin is not enough.
Oh, I am sorry for my mistake. Can you give your account number so I can refund?
Yes, can. Later, I message you. And one more thing, I want to complain about your drying machine. Your drying machine is not working.
Please wait a moment. I will send the technician to repair. Thank you for telling me. I will take the responsibility.
You are welcome.
Assalamualaikum. This is the Panasonic owner at the Teluk Intan.
Yes, I am the owner.
Can I complain about something? For your washing machine.
For sure. What the problem?
I hope so. I bought the washing machine here around 2 months ago, but the washer is making strange sound or vibration or something like that. What could I do?
Can you give the picture of washing machine?
Yeah. Wait a minute, Miss Farhan. I give the picture now. And one more thing, if I on and start the washing machine, the washer issue error. Door or spin sensor board damage. What could I do?
Oh, I see. The first situation is the bearing may have been water damage as a result of a bad seat and might need to be replaced. The second situation, use original item to prevent the unwanted damage from occurring. Tomorrow, I will get our engineer to have a look at it. Oh, I am sorry for my mistake. Can you give your account number so I can refund your money?
Yes. Oh yes, Miss Farhan. I give the account number at the night. Okay, Miss Farhan. Thanks for help me.
Welcome, Mr. Muaz.